When you think of all the things that you have done, both good and bad, you wonder which ones made you live the life that you have had. But if you were standing naked, showing everyone your soul, do you think the things you've done will have taken such a toll? Will your soul look very lovely, or will it have some stains? Have your choices smudged it? Maybe it is the dirt what remains. Is there a way to wash your soul, to cleanse it of all the dirt, to wipe away the painful things you've done, erase the hurt? Perhaps we should just think of this. With each thing we do, I wouldn't want my soul exposed with stains. How about you?